system that generates $100 in profit every single day. If you're struggling to make any money online, then you must have a definite step-by-step plan in place for you to see actual results from your efforts. Let me tell you my story. For 2 years I was telling my friends and family that I was making big bucks online, but in those 2 years, I just made about $1,000. I was kidding myself and everyone around me. I was trying to make money with the same techniques that every internet marketer on the planet was trying, and I was getting nothing. My goal was to make enough money online to become financially independent so I could travel the world and not have to worry about money. But I wasn't going to get there. The main reason is lack of knowledge. I realize now that what I was doing in the past is totally wrong. To get success online, you must know the actual steps. Maybe you feel the same. So let's say you're trying every single day, but not getting your desired results. You are frustrated, but you keep trying the same thing over and over again expecting different results. You want to believe that becoming an internet marketer is real and that you can do it, but you are starting to give up hope. You don't initially want to break the bank and make six-figure per year, but imagine what a quick and easy $100 every day would do to your bankroll. Now there are 3 ways you can do that. 1. Keep going the way you are going. 2. Dropping your $500 in the process until you find one method that begins to make you a slight profit. 3. Or you can kick away these techniques completely and start making money working as an internet marketer in the most passive way possible, working only 30 minutes per day to bank a cool $100 every day. Once you see how fast and easy it is, then you will understand that the internet lifestyle is easier to achieve than you have ever imagined. I've leave a link right below this video, go and check it out.